prevention is always better than that kind of devastating situation.
May kasabihan niya, prevention is the best policy.
I appeal na maging mindful tayo sa possible causes of fire. And if I may also inform us, ang mostly talaga electrically related causes. Magkaroon tayo ng regular checking kung kaya ba. Ang goal kasi natin, sir, is lalo na yung mga bahay ay made in combustible material. Pag nakakabit na yan sa kesame, oy, wala tayong wire. Parang gusto ko dito may saksakan ako.
So magdadagdag
ka ng sarili mong initiative. Tapos ang nakalagay doon, samot-saring appliances. Para sa isang saksakan, papunta sa kabilang saksakan, mga 10 appliances or 5. Combustible material yung bahay. And then yung wire, nag-iinit. Again, I just want to be as clear as how we could visualize it. Kasi pag hindi natin, again, down to the personal level, we will not take action. We will take it for granted.